Hello everyone, my name is Sherman and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox my first ever Brompton. Not just any other Brompton, it's the Tokyo 2020 Team GB Olympic Edition. So let's dive into it.
When we open the box, we see a Brooks Canbium C17 saddle with the Team GB Lion logo. On the bottom, we see a black pentaclip, black saddle rail, and at the back we see a Brooks logo. We see a saddle height insert, CNC hinge clamp assembly, which was introduced in another special model, Chapter 3, an owner's manual, Brompton toolkit. The mainframe is colored red lacquer, which is a special color with the Brompton range. It is special because if you look closely, you will see the fine handcrafted brass brazing underneath the paint. This is one of the reasons why this bike is at a premium, and this is the only folding bike commercially produced that is handcrafted in the UK, making it an artisan piece. Black foldable pedal, front reflector, black brake calipers with Brompton logo, black mudguards, black 50 teeth chainring, black rubber suspension, black seat post, black handle grip, black chain tensioner, integrated brakes, shifters, and bell. It comes with the Schwalbe Marathon Racer tires. It's a 6-speed model with 2 internal Sterny Archer wide ratio hub and 2 external gears, which adds up to 6 speed. There's 2020 Tokyo Olympic logo at the front of the main frame, and there's a limited edition logo on the reverse side. We have a white Brompton logo, a front carrier block, which is very important because this bike comes with a special edition Brompton messenger bag with a Team GB Lion logo printed on the bag. The handlebar stem and forks are gloss white. The rear triangle is colored gloss blue. And if you combine all the colors, red, white, and blue, it resembles the color of the British flag. Each bike is numbered and Brompton produced 2,020 units only. But aside from this, there's a serial number which identifies the bike as well. The bike here in review has an additional Philippine Brompton emblem which is unique for this region. One thing about the Brompton brand is that they continuously innovate, such as this Brompton toolkit, specifically designed to go inside the frame of this bike.
And there you have it, the unboxing video of my Brompton 2020 Team GB Tokyo Olympic Edition. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so you can help us make more videos like this. I'd like to thank Philip Tan of All About Brompton for this unit. And God bless and see you soon. And by the way, rumor has it that Brompton made another unit because the Tokyo Olympics was moved from 2020 to 2021. So, if you're that lucky owner, please get in touch with us. We'd like to hear from you. God bless.